This is the ToughBuilt QuickSet Work Bench, engineered to exceed the expectations of demanding pros. With just a pull of the leg release handle, the workbench opens up with ease and locks into place. This is a mobile workstation that deploys in a flash, supporting up to a true 1,000 pounds of holding capacity. The smart surface on the ToughBuilt QuickSet Workbench incorporates rapid use measuring and protractor tools. With this, you can measure in feet and inches and 180 degrees of angle with ease. And there are multiple clamping slots and anchor points cut throughout the work surface for inserting clamps and clips. The workbench also features ClipTech connection technology at every corner. With any ClipTech hub, ToughBuilt pouches and holsters can be hung to keep tools and supplies within easy reach. Designed for worksite solutions and constructed for stability that stands up to the needs of every professional. This is the ToughBuilt QuickSet Workbench. It's not tough unless it's ToughBuilt.